how to draw an airplane. So first, you're gonna need a pen, a marker, or one crayon, right? Let me use this pen. First, I'm gonna draw the body. Just wait till I show you, and then you can write it. So you can pause the video, and then you can write it down. That, you're gonna write this, right here. Did you write it ready? Okay. Step 2. You are gonna write the wings of the body. Step 4, you're gonna write the jets. If your plane is big, then you have to make like 3 or 2 jets. But if it's like small, like then you can make like 2 jets. So like 1 jet in each side. Okay? My airplane's gonna be big. So, and next, step number 3. Hold on, I'm not done yet. So, boom. This is how you write your jets. You're just gonna write your jets, copy it, boom. Yeah, do you have it down? Okay. So you're gonna, step number 3, you are gonna write So, step number 3, you're going to write the tail of the airplane. Boom. The tail. Write the tail. Step number 4, you're going to write the wheels. So, if your plane is big, you write a lot of wheels. If your plane is small, then you write only 3 wheels. So, 1 wheel on the front. So, like this. So, like this. If your plane is small, you're going to write 1 wheel on the front, and then you're going to write 2 wheels in the back. 1, 2. My plane is going to be big, so you got to write a lot of wheels. If your plane is big, then I'll show you how much wheels, about this amount. If your airplane is going to be heavy and big and long and a lot of passengers, you need to put plenty of wheels. Boom. And you're going to write about this amount of wheels. Step number, the other step, the next step is you are going to write the cockpit. This is the cockpit. Haha! I drew the pilot. So you're gonna write the cockpit. The next step is you're gonna write the door. You can write as many windows as you want, as long as it fits. The next step is you're going to write the windows. You can write as much windows as you can, as long as your window fits. The last step is going to be very easy. So remember now, the last step is always easy. Okay, write some more windows. It takes people a long time to make airplanes. It takes them about and it also takes people 2 months to make commercials. So there's gonna be ads in this video. So yeah, if you passed by an ad already, then comment down below. Yeah. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It's below your screen. Turn your phone this way, not this way. Turn it this way to find the subscribe button. The subscribe button is going to be around here. And you're going to not turn it this way because then you're not